Hey there, welcome to WSuite Industries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the command line tool to ping any website like a network admin. Now, what is ping? Ping is a network utility that is used to send network traffic from one device to another. Basically, it is used by network administrators and also hackers. If you want to check if a device is actually connected on network, you will try and ping its IP address, or if you want to check the connectivity status of that device. Now, to ping any device, you need the IP address of that device. Now, basically, to know the IP address of our device, we can type ipconfig. Then we'll look for the wireless LAN adapter. We copy the IP address of the wireless LAN adapter. That is our default gateway. That is the router. Then that's what we are pinging. When we type ping, CLS, we type ping and click enter on it, you can see it will send 4 data packets, 1, 2, and 3. All of them have 32 bytes of data. Basically, that's the size of the data packets we are sending. And it shows us the statistics, whether it has been sent or not, and whether it has been successful or not. But you can also ping a website. For instance, let's say we want to know the IP address of google.com, right? What we're going to do is that we're going to input google.com like this, but it doesn't come out. So we're going to type ping google.com. Click enter on it. Now you can see it has returned the IP address of google.com. So basically, this is the IP address of google.com. This ping command is very useful and has some switches that you can also learn. When you type ping /?, you have a list of things that you can actually do with ping. So you can choose the number of packets you'll be sending, the host to which you are sending, and also to resolve the IP addresses to host names. So when we type ping -a, we input the IP address of our device. It's going to try to resolve the host name. Basically, it's not going to work because this device doesn't have a host name. It's an Android phone. Thanks for watching the video on ping. Please like, share, and subscribe.